loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a very different crochet install. I'm actually doing a crochet wig. Don't fret, because I know when people say wigs and making wigs, people get like, ooh, I don't know how. This is my first time doing a crochet wig. So I am letting you guys know it is easy, it is simple, and it's faster than doing an install. So let's just jump right into it. So first things first, you're going to need a cap. So this is the cap that I got. It is the Shake and Go crochet wig cap with combs, because I don't know about y'all, but I can't do a wig if it ain't got combs in it. Like, I need my wig to be secure. So here it is. I'll put a link in the bio where you can purchase yours. I think I got mine for like $2 or $3.99. It was relatively cheap. So yeah, that's what this is. I got it in one because I mean, I'm a 1B kind of person. One thing to note is I have not washed or co-washed this hair. This is a kinky hair. What I'm going to do is I'm going to finish the wig, and then I'm going to dry co-wash it. You guys know how, like, you've seen my videos on how I wash the crochet hair. So I'm going to do that after I create the wig. So just a simple note on that, because it's not actually going to be on my scalp. I'm going to do the wig first, and then I'm going to co-wash it and all that kind of stuff. Alright, so this is what the cap looks like. This is the back, and then this is the front. So I tried to maybe try to do it on the dummy, and it didn't work. So I'm going to be doing this wig on my hair. So I'm just going to put the wig cap on. Ooh, and I like that it fits in my head. So there's a comb on each side, and then there's a comb in the back to get it nice and secure. Okay, so, all right, so the reason why I'm putting the wig cap directly on my head instead of on a dummy is because I want to be able to see how big or how small the hair is while I'm doing it. So the one caveat is you want to make sure that when you're crocheting the hair on the wig cap, that you're only doing it on the wig cap and not on your hair. Now you can take like a wig cap, which is like a solid cap, and then put that on before you put the wig cap on. I didn't have it. I didn't feel like buying it. So it's going to be a little bit methodical to make sure that you don't actually crochet it onto your hair. But if you take your time, then you know you have it right. So let's just get right into it. All right, so this is what the curl looks like. I'm not going to separate the back one just because the curl already looks a little thinner, and I'll just separate them once I actually put them in. So got my crochet needle. All you're basically going to do is just slide your crochet needle in through a couple of holes. You don't have to do like each individual hole. And then what I'm going to do is pull to make sure, we'll kind of tug it to make sure I'm not grasping any hair. Once I know that I don't have any hair, I'm going to simply crochet the curl onto the cap. See, just like that. And that's all you're basically going to do. You just want to start out, like I said, take your time, tug and pull to make sure that you're not grasping your hair, and you know, get started. I've got 5 boxes. I want this hair to be really big, so I might use all 5 boxes. So let's just see how many boxes that I use.